In this guide, we're going over how you can beat the World 3 boss here in Anime Tactical Simulator. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, obviously make sure that you are fully prepared. Try to level your units around to 20 to 25 in terms of levels. Redeem any active codes for free gems and potions and upgrade your unit talents before jumping into the fight itself. From here, I would recommend getting a balanced team. You're going to want to have a pretty, strong tank like Vegeta or All Might placed in the front to absorb damage, and then bring in 2 strong DPS units, ideally A tier or higher, like Naro Sage Mode is going to work great here because of its powerful AoE damage. You should also bring in 1 support unit such as Gojo to help boost damage or provide healing during the fight. Whenever you're placing your units though, position the tank in the center so it absorbs the boss's main sags, place your DPS units on the side so that they can deal damage safely, and of course keep your support unit behind the tank for protection. During the fight, try to stagger the ultimates instead of just using them all at once so that you maintain steady pressure, and you can also use your attack and defense potions mid-fight to give your team an extra advantage. One thing I would say though is make sure that you do take out the smaller enemies first, just so that they don't end up overwhelming your team. Also, avoid placing all your units in just one straight line because the boss's attacks can hit multiple units at once. Follow this strategy and the World 3 boss should go down so much easier. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.